Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to set up call barrier for incoming calls on Android phone without any stress. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, so the very first thing you want to do is to open up your phone diaper. So I'm going to simply click on here. Just like so. After you open up your diaper, next thing you need to do is to simply click on this setting icon right here. So simply click on that. Then it open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to go to SIM card settings. So click on that. Then it open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to head over to carrier features. So click on that. It's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do at this point here, choose the SIM card you want to use. I'm going to use this first SIM card right here, and it's take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to call barring. So click on that. Then it's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to go to all incoming. So simply click on that. Then right here, you will be asked to set up your call barring password. And for you to do that, simply enter the password that you will always remember. So after you enter the password, what you need to do is to simply click on turn on. And with that, your call barring is going to be enabled on Android phone. Your incoming call barring is going to be enabled. Then you can add any contacts to that particular section. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to set up call barring number on Android phone without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.